Hey, it's Brian Gambardella here with MarineMax Huntington, your Northeast Intrepid powerboats dealer. Today we're going to look at a 2025 41 Panacea. Real quick, this boat is powered by triple Mercury 400s. There is an optional 2 Mercury 600 power package. This boat carries 480 gallons of gas, has an 8.5 kilowatt diesel generator, and holds around 80 gallons of fresh water. With this power package here in the triple 400s, this boat will reach a top speed around 55-60 miles per hour with a comfortable cruise around 39 to 41. So we'll start off by going through the boat here. You got a really nice transom door here. Able to walk around the whole area back here. It's very wide. Your shore power hookup is right here on your port side. You got 2 bait wells, both with lights and glass. Got a nice comfortable fold out transom seat with a little raised cushion here so you're nice and comfortable underway. When you want to transfer to fishing boat, so no upholstery gets dirty, things are neat. Now you got a nice clear cockpit to do what you need to do. Really nice port side boarding door here. So this is where your swim ladder is stowed. This will fold out as such. I'll show you this. Now this ladder is only made by Intrepid. This is one of the most durable swim ladders I've seen. We all know how those telescoping swim ladders break off and get a little wobbly. Well, this is going to be one of the most sturdy things on the boat for sure. So a really neat feature about this boat, let's talk about the hardtop. We got a matte paint finish here, which is really nice. You got taco outriggers and your integrated LED spreader lights. They are multicolored. You got red, blue, purple, and white. You got 2 aft spreader lights here. And looking down now at the floor on the starboard area, this is your fish box. This is macerated. You have an engine flush system and your emergency fire extinguishing system just forward there. You push the button once, it'll cycle through both engines, empty the boat. Now it's a little early in the day, the sun is digging in, it's around 9 a.m. But you do have your sunshade up here, so mostly between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 or 5 p.m. This thing will provide great sun coverage. So down below here, you have your diesel generator right here. You got your Seakeeper 4.5. This is your underwater exhaust for the diesel generator, so you don't have any residue building up on the side of the boat, as you typically see with other brands. So coming into our summer kitchen area, got a nice grill, sink, a cover for the sink. This is a heat protector for the grill in case someone inadvertently shuts the lid. You got a very large cooler here, which is really nice. So load this up with ice, keep it on the boat. This thing will keep ice for a few days. 3-drawer tackle storage or whatever you prefer. Another isotherm fridge with a little freezer box. So coming forward, port and starboard side, you do have these built-in boarding steps here, which is nice. On this side, you have your water and your gas fill. On the starboard side, you'll have your waste and your diesel fill. So part of Intrepid's philosophy, customization, right? So these boats don't come with any electronics. We leave that up to you, the customer, Simrad, Raymarine, Garmin, whatever you prefer. We have a great team here to install it and help you out. So looking here, the helm is centered on the boat. You got a Seakeeper, your important systems here as your lights, your bilge pumps, cabin lights, anchored, windlass on your brushed stainless buttons here. You've got a Mercury vessel view screen, and then your wipers, your washer, your platform, which I'll show you in a moment, and your helm seat. This whole 3-person helm seat will slide forward and back. So I'll slide that back for now. And let's take a look at the platform here. So what I mean by platform, this is a 41-foot boat. you know, I could see over the bow here, but a little extra never hurts. So there we go. Now I've got another about 5 inches of great visibility. And you could stop this at any which point. You don't have to go all the way up or all the way down. Intrepids are standard with a bow thruster, with a seat keeper. That's something you don't really see on a lot of other brands. So when you come into Intrepid, you get a lot off the bat. So take a look at these Helm seats and these footrests here. So everybody has an armrest, everybody has a footrest. And these are very, very comfortable. You get a lot of lumbar support back here. The armrests feel natural, and the footrest is at just the right height, which is really nice. You do have air conditioning and heat at the helm here. You also have it down below. So you got 2 reverse cycle units, and both those controls are just inside the cabin. Let's make our way to the bow. So first thing, both on your port and starboard side, you'll have these fender storage lockers. Really great utilization of space. You've got a 2-person lounger here. When your friends and family want to interact with everyone sitting at the bow, you simply raise that sun pad up. Nice high-low table, also doubles as the floor. So now when your passengers here want to interact with everyone in front, you know, they don't feel so excluded sitting so far back, which is always nice. For the lounging people at the bow, we have this solution. So both the port and starboard side have this capability here. And for my fishing enthusiasts, you've got rod storage, again on both the port and starboard side. I'm gonna lower this table here so we could look in the bow storage. We've got 8 cup holders surrounding the bow area here, which for most people should be plenty. So we got pretty large dry storage up here. Maybe some life jackets, things of that sort. That little door is access to your windlass area. You could also access that on top of the bow area, which we'll look at in a moment. So here's your windlass. You do have control from up here. You also have a freshwater sprayer when that thing gets valved up. And really nice, just all throughout Intrepid, everything's powder coated, upholstery quilted, things are well done. Fender clips, combo rod holder, cup holders from here all the way to the back. So now we'll take a look in the cabin. And here down in the cabin, you have your head aft. You got a nice isotherm fridge. A lot of drawers and storage space. Got a hot stove, Kenyan cooktop. Nice stainless sink with a Korean cover. Small microwave. Up above that is your 12 volt and 120 volt system and your breakers. Also your generator start stop is located in here. Nice little skylight for ventilation. You've got a hanging locker here. Right now I've got all our life vests and boat supplies stored in here, but it's fairly large for this size boat. It's nice. We've got non-skid on the wood steps here, which is cool. Another pull-out drawer. You do have an AC and heat system for down here, and then one up at the helm, so they are 2 separate systems. Now if we lift this up, we've got access to our strainer, so when that gets fouled, we can clean that out easily. And looking forward, you've got a high-low table here that converts to a berth, as you see it now. That center cushion is removable. That table will come up, and now you have a nice seating area for socializing, eating, and drinking. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of our 2025 Intrepid Powerboats 41 Panacea. If you're interested in this boat, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.